What's up? So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get that quick release off your stick. So how to get that quick release off is you're going to just come up. You're gonna go into your ready stance, and then you get the puck. There's two forms. There's the first toe drag release. The toe drag release, which almost everybody knows. But then there's also the little snapshot, which is this, which is you won't be expecting it. Just like a quick shot, just like a little. So how to get this shot? So you're gonna need your entire body. So what you want to do is you want to flick your wrist like that. Want to flick your wrist, all you want to do is just flick your wrists. So my wrists are going to be like this, and then they're just going to and then look. And I don't even really have to move, but when I do move, it's going to go a lot faster. Watch. To make it go just a little bit faster was a few little backwards crossovers. That's just simple. Just a few little backwards crossovers. Right here. And then put all the stuff that I just said, and then just go. You're getting that. Or if you're gonna go with the toe drag release route, do like this. You're going to be able to get the perfect quick release shot. Thanks for watching. See ya.